Hey guys, how's it going? So today is moving day. I'm going to be moving into the RV, and so I have it parked here in the apartment complex while I move all my stuff around, but I figure I'd give you a preview of everything that's inside the RV. So here you go. So right now I have the back deck down. I don't have the railings out, but you can get a sense of how big it is and everything on the inside. Here you go. I had the generator running because I turned on the lights so you'd be able to see everything. Generator surprisingly isn't too loud, which I like. Alright, so when you first walk in, there's the kitchen, and then a living area, and a little loft area, and then out to the patio. I'll show you that a little bit more. Let's go up these stairs into the bedroom and the bathroom. Pardon the mess. Like I said, I'm just moved in. There's the bed. There's, you know, AC unit and stuff. In the in this area is washer and dryer. They eventually we get the hookups there, be able to go. As you saw, I think with Caden, there's a little TV there, so you can pull it out, chill on the bed, relax and watch some TV. All right, so down the stairs. Before we do that, we're gonna go into the bathroom, get a sense of how big it is. Little toilet, and a little cool feature, the skylight right there. I like that. So looking forward to moving all the stuff in. So here's the kitchen. Not a whole lot of space. We got some cabinets there on the left, and then above the microwave, and then over here we got some cabinets as well, and then the obviously the refrigerator, and then some cabinets underneath. So definitely gonna have to get rid of some of the stuff, if you will. So a nice long couch. In between these couches, I'll show you. There's a little mechanical button that you can use to slide out and lounge. Caden likes to leave these out. He likes to lounge. So anyways, a couple of little stools, and there's a ladder here that Caden can use to access the loft area. So you go up there, and I'm gonna hold the camera up and try and show you. There's two twin mattresses, one that goes this way and then the other one goes this way, and then little hookups for a TV or whatever. And then the must-have for Caden, the skylight up there with its own little fan, dedicated fan. So now we're going into the toy hauler section. So again, pardon my mess, but there's a pretty good size area here for all the fun toys, even a little bathroom. Then above here we have a little area for this is a couch. The bottom one here is a couch, and then up there is the mattress that actually pulls down along these rails. These are called the Happy Jack bed system. So basically the couch comes down and the bed comes to about I don't know, shoulder height or so. More storage under here if you need, and then a little patio deck area. I don't have the awnings out because there's a little bit of wind, but there's an awning there that retracts right in towards the camera, and then another two awnings on this side, one over this door and then another one over the main area. So there you go, there you have it. There's my RV. I hope you all enjoy it, and I'll definitely be posting more pictures once I get everything moved in, but I only have a few hours today and a few hours tomorrow to move all the big stuff. So good luck, and I'll talk to you later.